By 2026, will AI replace millions of jobs? Let's do a reality check. The real corporate moves that show this is already happening. The layoffs since 2024 prove the shift is real. And it's not just cost-cutting, it's a great reallocation. Companies across all sectors have announced job cuts in 2025, with some citing the emergence of AI and automation as a key driver for workforce restructuring. While AI isn't always explicitly named as the direct replacement, many tech firms are leveraging the technology to improve operational efficiency, leading to reduced needs for human workers in various roles, including those in customer service, testing, and administrative tasks. Leading technology firms like Amazon, Google, Meta, Microsoft, and other top firms have collectively cut well over 114,000 jobs. Major financial and consulting firms have announced widespread cuts, led by Citigroup's plan to slash 20,000 jobs and thousands more across the Big Four. Media giants such as Disney and Spotify are cutting a combined total of over 10,000 positions to reduce costs and achieve profitability in the highly competitive streaming market. Major companies across diverse sectors are trimming their workforces to navigate industry-specific challenges, highlighted by UPS's 20,000 layoffs and thousands more expected. This isn't just a Silicon Valley experiment. The global IT services industry, employing millions, is in the middle of this transformation. Wipro and Infosys does the fresher squeeze. Entry-level coding, testing, and data jobs once filled by graduates are now being automated. Hiring has slowed dramatically. Wipro, with 250,000 employees, is racing to retrain its workforce in AI, while quietly letting headcount shrink through attrition. Cognizant eliminated thousands of non-billable roles, and the savings redirected into AI projects. This is becoming the standard playbook. Companies are no longer hiding their plans. They're openly telling us how AI will reshape workforces. IBM CEO Arvind Krishna expects nearly 8,000 back-office jobs, HR, admin, etc., to be phased out and replaced by AI. BT Group might cut up to 55,000 jobs by 2030, 10,000 directly swapped for AI in customer service and network management. Google CEO Sundar Pichai warns of rolling layoffs throughout the year, trimming any teams not central to AI. So what does all of this mean for you? It means the age of stable, single-skill careers is over. Jobs built on repetition and information processing are disappearing fast. This isn't a sudden takeover. It's a strategic transformation. Entire professions aren't vanishing overnight, but the tasks that make up those jobs are being automated at lightning speed. But here's the opportunity. The jobs that are growing rely on uniquely human skills: creativity, strategy, empathy, judgment. AI won't steal your job, it will change it. The only question is, are you ready to change with it? Subscribe now to stay at the forefront of the AI revolution as it unfolds. We bring you the latest AI innovations even before they are available to the public.